What's up, dog?
Man, I got the munchies, MK, man. Why don't you get in that kitchen and whip some shit up real quick and shit. Show these motherfuckers you know how to get at it in the kitchen.
All right, then. We gonna throw our motherfucking ankles into this shit. Let's get to these motherfucking steaks and shit. I'm using my wok and shit. You know, the fire's up a little high, a little smoky. What we want to do, we want to sear these steaks and shit. And yeah, I'm gonna be breaking a cardinal rule. I'm gonna be using a fork because I'm stabbing the steak and shit. You know what I'm saying? I want the inside to be nice and motherfucking cooked. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you see me breaking the cardinal rule, but it's okay. This is some hood shit. This is hood cooking with your dog MK motherfucking specs. These are some New Yorks. I done, you know, cut them up. You know what I mean? So I won't have to cut them up again. You know what I mean? Now, we're going to throw that butter in. We're going to throw that Imperial margarine in there. We're going to throw that shit in there for an awesome motherfucking hood glaze. I have my secret ingredients, but I'm going to let you know one ingredient. To make your food taste better, you better throw some accent in that motherfucking bitch. Excuse my profanity, I'm sorry. This is the show. And we cooking. For real. Got the munchies too. It's going to be a good one. What else we going to be throwing in there? We're going to be throwing some mashed potatoes, right? Yep, right here. All right. You know, we stir it up. Stir it up. We stirred up these mashed potatoes and shit. You know what I'm saying? Right? Then we going to throw these motherfucking shrimps in. Real for a shrimp scampi. And we have, yeah, you know, saute some onions. We got some broccoli. Voila, look at that. We're going to throw these mushrooms in too, to the wok too, right? And we're going to saute these sons of a bitches. Look at that too, a nice golden, sauteed tenderness and shit. We're going to throw in some cooking wine as well. There's our shrimp scampi and shit, right? For real. And voila, yum yum. I got a nice nigga plate right here and shit. Thank y'all for watching my cooking and shit. Boat up a motherfucking tea. You know, MK smothered steak, mashed potatoes, and broccoli with garlic shrimp scampi. And you know I know how to cook broccoli. Y'all have a good one.